Hi, today in front of me we are Y16 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here just to unmute ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the right side this blue dot. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that in volume buttons control we have selected the ringtone, and now just by press to the up volume button we can also unmute ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way just by slide to the up this dot with your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.